A team loses everything in a devastating fire. Kickoff is fast approaching and some local kickoff events are starting to go remote. Ri3D is back, the Open Alliance is now open, and these are your stories coming up on FRC Updates Now. Your destination for FIRST content, updates, and gaming.
Welcome to the fun.
We'd like to thank Stryker for their continued support of FIRST Updates Now. Stryker's internship portal is now open and available. Discover internships and rotational programs located around the world, including their headquarters in Michigan, when you go to careers.stryker.com and click on Students and Graduates. FIRST Updates Now is supported by Kettering University. On average, Kettering students earn $45,000 to $70,000 over the course of their co-op program to help them graduate debt-free. 99% of students qualify for a merit scholarship, and you can apply for one of the 80-plus FIRST scholarships worth up to $25,000 each. Schedule your virtual visit to get started at kettering.edu. Our top headline for today, Team 3339 from Israel unfortunately experienced a really bad fire in their shop, having devastating results and causing over $650,000 in damage. Our hearts are out with this team out in Israel, and we have Ofek and Rami on from 3339 Bumblebee to talk a little bit more about what happened and what needs to happen to get this team back online. So Ofek and Rami, thanks for coming on. Can you tell us a little bit what happened with the fire, anything that you may know about it?
I woke up at a Friday morning and I found out by looking at our WhatsApp group. I watched a video showing our workshop getting burned down by huge flames. By the time I woke up, all the workshop has been destroyed. All the 3D printers, the CNC, the materials, the hardware, the computer, all of it turned to ashes. And most importantly, 12 years of history got destroyed. So it's kind of hard for us to look forward, especially about the history that kind of got destroyed by flames and turned to dust. And for now, we don't know exactly what caused the fire. And that's it. We're not sure what exactly happened though. We're trying to solve it as fast as we can to get it back at our feet to the 2022 season.
Yeah, we see the pictures and the video that was on screen there, and you talk about the history. You know, Bumblebee is one of those teams. When I think Israel, I think Bumblebee, right? And obviously, lots of history lost with that. Moving into the 2022 season, as we come up here, is it over for you guys, or what needs to happen to get your team back in line and going, if at all possible?
There is no doubt that it will be a hard season for sure. I think it will be a unique one as well.
Sure.
It will be one of the unique seasons that ever been in FRC history, I think. And but I see it in another way. Like we're FRC teams that we're trying to solve problem. Now we don't have problem to engage and make a robot. We need to do it combined with rebuilding our workshop this year. So if our 2022 season is over, absolutely not. We're not going to compromise our robot success and awards and banner and our ambitions in this year. And we want to rebuild our workshop during this season and get back at our feet to get the best year that we can do.
Where do you plan on actually building out of then for this season?
Actually, we're now looking into various options. The city mayor is trying to help us find some temporary places. One option is a class in school. Another option is a deserted building, which needs to be rehabilitated. But we'll try to find something and go on from there. Regarding your first question, your previous question, just wanted to say that after Friday morning, all the team members were just standing near the building and crying and, holding each other's hands. And the only thing they thought is not only about the loss of the history, that we're going to give up on them and that the season is over. Because, what can you do in 1 week? And we just gathered all the kids together and just said, no way, this is going to be a season like any other season. And then, when you have hope, everything is clear for the future.
Yeah, and we really do hope that you do have the least amount of difficulties after this hardship to get something going forward. It's delighted to hear that the local community is coming together for you, and I hope the FIRST community can too. You have a fundraiser out right now to help you rebuild. Or according to your site, you had about $650,000 in damages and a lot of equipment damages as well. So talk to us a little bit more about your fundraiser and how people can contribute to it if they have the means and the will to do so.
So it's kind of simple. As you said, we won't be able to go through this issue without the help of the community, the FIRST community as well. We're aware that the Israeli customs and the complex regulation and sending to Israel will be difficult to teams in the USA and Canada to help us. Therefore, money is probably the best option for us. By donating money, you can help us slowly rebuild our home, our students' home, and get back at our feet to compete this season, and for the long run as well to build again our great workshop that got destroyed.
So right now, if you go onto your website, there is an option to donate via PayPal, Paybox. I know there's an option for equipment as well. And then if wire transfer is something you're interested in, you can go and do that. But check out more at help.bumblebee3339.com. Bumblebee has also posted a video on YouTube if you are interested in learning more about what happened from Bumblebee and more about the Bumblebee team. Go ahead and check that out as well. So 3339, we wish you only the best. We hope that your rebuild, while it will be difficult, of course, we hope that the FIRST community can help come together to help bring you some relief, and of course your local community as well. So we can't wait, maybe check in with you a little bit later during the season, see how things are going, and good luck, of course, with this year in the competition. Thanks a lot for coming on.
Thank you very much.
As you know, the Rapid React game will be releasing on noon Eastern on this Saturday, so make sure you tune in to the official First Inspires Twitch channel to watch Kickoff. If you're looking to attend a local Kickoff event and pick up your kit of parts, we do recommend double checking to make sure that your Kickoff event has not gone virtual. With COVID ramping back up in the States and across the world, events like this one in South Carolina have moved everything except for kit of parts pickup to virtual, and we're hearing reports that other events are following suit. So if you plan on attending a local Kickoff event, double check with that event that it's still happening. And of course, with the excitement of Rapid React kicking off comes Robot in 3 days. We'll be out at Kettering University with the Bulldogs team Saturday through Monday as they look to build and really, more than anything, show off what can be built and what can be done in just 3 days so you can take that and apply it towards your competition season. During Ri3D, you'll get to interact with concept, design reviews, programming, prototypes, testing field and game components, and completed assemblies, all while taking your comments and questions in chat. While you can ask questions at any time, we'll have a daily recap each day at 8:30 p.m. Eastern with the entire team together so you can ask questions as well as giveaways from AndyMark, Rev Robotics, the ThriftyBot, Kettering, and more. Watch live at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow and view all the videos we'll be posting at youtube.com/firstupdatesnow. Hey, if your team is looking to learn more about the build season all the way from the end of competition season, check out the Open Alliance. The Open Alliance features many teams who will be an open book detailing their season with detailed records of everything that they do. Every Tuesday leading up to Week 1 events, we'll also have Open Alliance teams on live for a show at 8 p.m. Eastern discussing their progress, and you can ask questions for these teams on air about their progress and apply it towards your team. The Open Alliance is open to all teams, so if you're interested in being part of the Open Alliance and signing up, check out their Discord in the link below or on Chief Delphi for more details. That's going to wrap it up for FRC updates now. Good luck to all teams taking on the Rapid React Challenge, and if you're looking to have some fun, Saturday 9:30 p.m. Eastern, join us at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow for a Rapid React Rules Kahoot Trivia Challenge, where we'll have some prizes to give away. You'll get to take on some fun hosts, and maybe a few other fun games that are happening during Ri3D as well. So we'll see you then, and thanks for watching. Thanks to Kettering University for their support of this video. Kettering University is a national leader in experiential STEM and business education. Discover why so many FIRST alumni come to Kettering University by scheduling a virtual visit at kettering.edu. We'd like to thank Stryker for their continued support of First Updates Now. Stryker's internship portal is now open and available. Discover internships and rotational programs located around the world, including their headquarters in Michigan, when you go to careers.stryker.com and click on Students and Graduates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date on our new videos. Keep the conversation going and provide your input to our content. Watch our live shows at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow. Join our Discord at discord.gg/firstupdatesnow and check out Fun FTC on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and First Updates Now on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.